Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not gonna hold you. This is going to be a short and sweet shoulder routine. We're gonna do 2 sets of exercises, 3 sets for each exercise, 25, 23, and 20 reps. So jumping right into our shoulder exercises for this video, we have a variation of the dumbbell overhead press. This particular movement is called the Arnold Press. The good thing about this exercise is that you do not have to lift heavy in order to achieve excellent results, because the movement actually allows you to hit the anterior, medial, and posterior area of your deltoid muscle. So with that, your muscles stay under tension longer than they would with your standard dumbbell or barbell overhead press. The next exercise is the dumbbell around the world. So what you want to do is stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, grasp the dumbbell's underhand, and rotate your arms laterally and over your head. What you want to do is make sure that you keep your core engaged, and also try not to sway or use momentum to bring those dumbbells over your head. So with the rep range of 25, 23, and 20, if I cannot finish out that set with that weight, then I do it without, just to make sure that I can complete the set and still get that burn. So I'm finishing up this exercise set with some reverse forearm curls, and I am keeping the weight light. I do not want to build muscle in this area. My goal is to keep it toned, so I try not to go over anywhere in between 5 to 10 pounds for this particular exercise. Now in the next set of exercises, I would actually normally start off with my front lateral raises, but for whatever reason that footage did not save, so unfortunately I do not have that to show you at the moment. But I'll go ahead and just jump right into the next exercise, which we have here. So with this single dumbbell lateral raise, I am holding onto the cable machine for support and using my working arm to lift through the movement and pulling the dumbbell away from my body. So a little bit more of that forearm action. I am doing some dumbbell forearm twists. Like I said, I keep this weight light as I do not want to build up muscle in that area, just keeping it toned. The last exercise that we have in this shoulder routine is the cable face pulls with the rope attachment. So this is going to work the rear delts. Now you want to make sure that the machine is set to eye level or higher, and that when you're pulling the rope towards your face, you keep it at the level of the bridge of your nose. You also want to make sure that when you are pulling the rope back, that you are retracting your scapula and making sure that you squeeze your traps together. Well, that concludes this workout routine. If you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and a comment down below. Also, do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you do not miss any videos that I drop in the future. But I will see you in the next one. Bye.